Hi, I'm Dakota Adelphia. We're here at the Rangemaster Tactical Conference in Dallas, Texas, and I'm going to talk a little bit about the gear that I use every day. So this is the Filster Enigma Express for my Glock 19. This is the one I carry. I have a sport belt on it, just a little bit more comfortable for me, and then I have the stock leg leash that I use in the alternate routing method. And I obviously have abused this a little bit. It looks a little worn in, but one cute thing is that my puppy, when he was like 10 weeks old, got a hold of my holster, and we just kind of shaved it down, make it a little more comfortable, but I think that's a cute little character mark, so I keep it that way. And then this is another Enigma Express for an M&P Shield, which is another option for me in California. The roster is limiting, so this is the other gun that I carry sometimes. And I'm really exploring this one for deep concealment, and so I have the standard belt on it instead of a sport belt because it allows me to tighten it down a little bit more over my hips without it trying to slide up. So as you can tell, this one hasn't been worn a ton. I'm still kind of exploring with it, but I'm having a really fun time working on deep concealment. Same thing with the leg leash. I'm using the alternative routing method. And this is my Filster Enigma OS. So I use this one specifically because it has a pro holster on it, which has the built-in wedge for training classes when I'm going to be shooting the gun a fair amount and it's going to get really hot. So the skeleton holster and potentially bending over and having hot parts on my body. So I use the Pro for most of my formal training classes. But on the Express, I actually a lot of times will use a physical wedge. The Pro is just a little bulky for my body type and I don't normally recommend it for ladies for that reason. This does have the sport belt on it, which I find really comfortable and it holds up well in training classes. I think it helps the gun kind of stay still for me, so the draw is very consistent, which is one of the things I like when I'm doing high-speed drawing and things like that. And that's my overall concealed carry setup and how I like to train with it. If you want to learn more, we have a ton of good resources out there. So the Learn tab on the website is a great place to start. You can ask Phil, our little AI bot in the corner, or you can go to the Filster Concealment Workshop. You might recognize me as being a moderator over there. We're doing a lot of individual concealment help. So if you're having a specific problem with your Enigma or you're not getting comfort that you'd like or concealment that you'd like, we would love to help you there. And then we're also doing these Enigma tune-up classes on Zoom. So if you want really individualized help, you can sign up as a participant and Tessa Booth and I will help you specifically figure out where to put your Enigma, how to get more comfortable with it, and answer any questions you have about the product. So we hope to see you at a class soon. Thanks so much.